I am not up to the mark. How often do you catch yourself thinking this? Or a slightest trigger outside and the pattern is activated and you get into that whole loop of I don't do it well, I'm not good enough, I'm not up to the mark, मेरे बस की नहीं है, पता नहीं मुझसे होगा या नहीं होगा, मैं इतना अच्छे से क्यों नहीं कर पाता हूँ, look at that other person, and the whole thing, it's a snowball effect happens. Let's talk about it today and understand what is the source of all of this and what must you really do. Hi, I'm Asma Tatia, daughter of two rock solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel. तो जब जब आप अपने आप को पकड़ते हो ये सोचते हुए दैट आई एम नॉट अप टू द मार्क, या नहीं भी पकड़ते हो बिकॉज ये सबकॉन्शियसली पैटर्न है जो आप रन करते हो, तो what really happens? So when there is a slightest trigger, you've not done something the way you wanted to do it, or somebody outside said something which was a trigger, or you saw somebody else doing it in a better way, doing something, and you are wondering, मैं तो नहीं कर पाता हूँ, oh, look at him, he's doing it so well, he's running at such an amazing pace, मैं तो पिछड़ गया हूँ, मुझसे तो होता ही नहीं है, मेरे साथ हमेशा यही होता है, उस वक्त भी मैंने ऐसा ही किया था, I don't know why I can't do it, I think I don't have it in me, I'm not up to the mark. So I'm not up to the mark के कई सारे वेरिएशंस हो सकते हैं, बट इन सम फॉर्म और द अदर आप शायद अपने आप को वो कहते हो, और अगर कहते हो तो वो जैसे ही वो ट्रिगर हुआ और आप अपने आप को you get into running that pattern of I'm not good enough or I'm not up to the mark, उसके बाद क्या होता है, the whole feeling of disempowerment sets in. And that impacts your action taking. आप further action नहीं लेते हो, action नहीं लोगे तो results भी नहीं आते, और आप फिर उसको reinforce करते हो, yes, see, I'm not up to the mark, इसीलिए मैं नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, जबकि हकीकत ये है कि I am not up to the mark आपकी state of mind को एक disempowering state of mind में convert कर देता है, and obviously if I'm thinking I'm not up to the mark, I can't do it, then there's no way I can go ahead and take those actions, right? So one of the things that happens the moment we are triggered, so let's first understand what are the triggers. So number one is somebody comes and says something, किसी ने आकर कुछ कह दिया कि तुम ये अच्छे से नहीं हुआ है, या last time तुमने किया था but this time it hasn't worked out, or in this particular area you always goof up, it's not your cup of tea, some statement from somebody, and you'll be quick to get back to your pattern. So number one, somebody said something. Number two, one of the very, very, very big things is when you look at the talents of others and get into comparison mode. आप किसी और को देखते हो, उनके टैलेंट पे फोकस करते हो और खुद को कंपेयर करने लग जाते हो, आप अपने टैलेंट को देखते ही नहीं. Now of course there is something he or she may be better at. We all have our unique talents. Now I cannot be one up in everything that I do, like every area. There may be people who are better at something, and there are things which I am really good at. Yeah, so instead of focusing on what is my uniqueness, what is it that I am good at, what is my talent, my whole focus is on वो क्या अच्छा कर रहा है, वो क्या बेहतर कर रहा है, और जैसे ही वहाँ फोकस गया, comparison start हो गया, I compare myself to the other person, which is an apple to orange comparison. It doesn't work. That again gets you in that I'm not up to the mark mode. happens. That's a very big one, you know. So the moment आप उस I am not up to the mark में चले जाते हो, आप disempower हो जाते हो, आप उसी loop में फंस जाते हो, feeling disempowered and then feeling more of I am not up to the mark and then feeling more disempowered, and you go on and on, right? Whereas the question that you must ask yourself, what will you really do about it now? So it is about getting aware and asking the right question to yourself, which is that, am I really not up to the mark? Like, really? Is there nothing that I am good at? What are my strengths? What are my talents? What are those things that I am really great at and people admire me for? There are people who look up to me in these areas. There are things that give me joy in doing because I just enjoy doing them. I'm good at them. It's important to reinforce, recall what are your strengths, what are you good at, what are your talents, and then work on them. Make them better and better. Whatever you are up to in life, whatever your purpose is, जो भी काम आप कर रहे हो in sync with your purpose, उसको और बेहतर करो, उसको इतना बेहतर करो, करते जाओ, लग जाओ, जान लगा दो, शिद्दत के साथ करो, so that you get so good at it that you have no time to think about what I'm not good at. You have no time to compare because you know that you are good. You have reinforced it for yourself that I'm good at this. And I'm really good at this. Like, I know it for a fact I'm good at this. वो reinforcement, वो power आप ही दोगे अपने आप. So you have a choice. Sulk, I'm not up to the mark because the other person, I'm looking at that other person and I don't stand anywhere close. Let me compare. Let me look at his talent and not look at mine. Versus what I really need to do is reinforce for myself. अभी तक ब्रेन को क्या मैसेज दिया है बार बार? I'm not up to the mark, I'm not up to the mark, the other person is this, he's good at this, he's got this talent, he's got this talent, he's amazing at this, सब लोग कुछ कुछ कर रहे हैं, look at me, I'm stuck here. तो जब एक ही चीज रन करके बता रहे हो तो ब्रेन के लिए वही इतना बड़ा हो गया है. अब कुछ जरा सा होता है and you're back to that thinking mode. Now, what can you think about? What pattern can you run? What belief can you run so that instead of that I'm not up to the mark, you give a different message to the brain? So you need to figure that out and you need to reinforce that. बार बार उसको consciously awareness के साथ repeat करना होगा, practice करना होगा, so that जैसे ही I am not up to the mark आए, you quickly like, hey, hold, I have the choice, power of choice here. I'm not thinking this now. I'm not going to run this pattern. I am consciously choosing to run the other pattern, which is that I am super. I'm great at this. I've put in all the effort. I've done this so amazingly well. These are the things which I have done phenomenally well. I enjoy doing them. They bring a smile. They bring happiness. This is how I'm serving people. This is whatever it is in your life, right? So take charge, take responsibility, and make that choice. Yeah. I hope you found this meaningful. This is very, very critical because I am not up to the mark is one such belief. It is, the source is so deep, and it's, I would say it's a investment of years together and so much emotion into it that it's huge for you. And you will see that impact, right? So go ahead and like this if you found it meaningful. Subscribe to the channel. And whatever I spoke about, please go ahead, reflect upon, and make those conscious efforts. Get aware. Okay, अभी subconsciously सब कुछ हो जाता है. आप उस mode में भी चले जाते हो. You do all that happens. Just get on with this action, this reflection, and you will see the shift. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.